Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to save cash when buying Godaddy domains by checking out their bundle offers. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of finding and utilizing these bundles to get the most value from your purchase on Godaddy. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Godaddy website and navigate to the Plans and Pricing section specifically tailored for businesses. This is your gateway to discovering a variety of domain bundles that Godaddy offers. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to log into your Godaddy account. If you're not already a user, you can sign up, but having an account makes this process seamless. After signing in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Direct your attention to the Shop section on GoDaddy.com. Here, the real exploration begins. Click on Domains and then proceed to Pricing. This pathway leads you directly to the various domain pricing options available, including standalone and bundled options. Don't skip over the Bundle section. This is where the real savings are. In the Bundle section, Godaddy offers several categories, such as the Starter Domain Bundles and Essentials Domain Bundles, each having distinct features fit for different needs. For instance, the Essentials Domain Bundle is often highlighted as recommended. Selecting this means you're exploring what more you can get in addition to the basics, like website building tools, SEO, and email marketing. And that's it. You're now ready to navigate Godaddy's site in a language that suits you best. Enjoy the improved accessibility and comfort as you manage your website.